In this video, I want to go over the weekly newsletter from Flying Research. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before we take a look at that weekly newsletter from Flying Research, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is currently 1:31 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon. Sitting at 48 sales, well, actually 49, one canceled, 2 returned, $42 in royalties. Had a big day yesterday, did 91 sales, $127 in royalties, but that is going to put me at 745 sales for the month and $953 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics. Well, I haven't lately because I lost my gym, bro, but usually I post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years, almost 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So if you sign up for Flying Research, and make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to do a little quick tutorial like I always do on Flying Research, how I like to use it, and also some of the trending niches. There's actually some interesting ones, so make sure you stick around. But when you sign up with them, you get a weekly newsletter. They email it to you every Friday. I got it yesterday. I'm making this video today on Saturday. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's actually a pretty good one because there's some news. Oh, whoops, gotta go to the top here. Okay, so this is POD report number 31, and they're excited because there's some mock-up and tier-up news. So the first thing that they're talking about is mock-ups for men are back in the U.S. There was news about this like a few weeks ago. It looks like they've been, using mock-ups and taking them away. Looks like they might be back. Me personally, I haven't really noticed any difference in sales, so I'm not really stressing too much about this. But then there's also been a wave of tier-ups. So great news, Amazon has finally rolled out new tier-ups, appearing to favor the larger tiers in the thousands. It reaffirms the rule that at least 80% of your upload slots must be utilized, confirming it as a valid criteria for tier advancement. Now me, I haven't been tiered up yet. I've been kind of stuck at 8,000. I got 87%. A lot of people last week were telling me that they got tiered up, so I'm still waiting. Hopefully it will happen soon. I got my fingers crossed. But I think people have been tiered up, so comment below, let me know if you got tiered up. And then they're talking about this trending niche, the New York City earthquake that happened, I think, last week or 2 weeks ago. Looks like these designs are getting some good sales, and since there was no like human deaths or tragedy, basically, looks like these were safe. Usually when there's like an earthquake or a hurricane or something like that, you're not allowed to do these type of shirts, but since no one really got hurt, looks like Amazon was letting these go through and not issuing any takedowns. And I saw some pretty good BSRs. Like, look at this, 151, 180, so it looks like 131, so looks like people did pretty good. I did not jump onto this niche. Let me know if you did down below. And here's some deleted designs. So this has to do with movies, and if you've been following me, you know that one of the rules that I have is I don't do anything related to movies, and since there's this new Godzilla and King Kong movie, Amazon has been doing takedowns, so you don't want to do this stuff, or this kind of stuff. You want to avoid this, all right? So that's the news that they have, mock-ups, tier-ups, the trending New York City earthquake, and the takedowns from the Godzilla King Kong movie. Now let's go ahead and talk about the evergreen niche. So every week they give us a low competition evergreen niche. And this one I actually have designed in about 2 or 3 years ago. I got into this niche, and I have seen some sales. So I think this is a good one, and it is Horology. And I could read you this boring paragraph right here, but I think it's just easier if I just go to good old trusted Google. And if we just type in, it's going to say the science of measuring time or the art of making instruments for indicating time. And if we go to images, if you're more like a visual learner, right here you're going to see this is what Horology is. Me, basically, I think it's just like making watches, things like that. So that is the niche that they have for us. And if we take a little deeper dive, we're going to see what the search volume is. Looks pretty good throughout the year. This is the trend for the past 5 years. And then the key metrics, so 5,000 products on Amazon, 1,000 clothing products, and 94 Amazon merch shirts. And we can fact check this. If I go to Merch Informer, type in Horology, hit enter, we're going to see there's actually a little more. I'm coming up with 177. Reductor is also saying there's 177, but still very low. And since I always get this comment on pretty much every video I make, if we just go to Amazon homepage and we just type in Horology t-shirt, we're going to see there's 1,000, which does match up with this number right here. And the reason why there's more is because this is all of Amazon clothing products. So this is Merch by Amazon, Fulfillment by Merch, and Fulfillment by Amazon. But to be honest, I don't even know if I believe this number, because if I scroll down here and go to the 7th page, which I'm actually on, you see that 7th page, you know, there's 50 results per page. So where are all the other 650 results? I don't know. I can only get to 350 of them. But anyways, doesn't really matter. All that really matters is how many Merch by Amazon shirts are there, because those are the ones that come with Prime benefits, free shipping, and next day shipping. Let's go back to the newsletter. So here are some keyword top performers for Google and Amazon. You can pause the video if you want to take a look at these, get some keywords for your listings. And here is fact 1, so relatively small but established evergreen niche. I agree with that. And fact 2, sales also possible organically without advertising. So I agree with that as well. So some good facts right there. Actually, let's go back, because we didn't take a look at the BSRs or the designs. So if we go back right here and actually look at these designs, we're going to see first row, it's all selling. And this new laptop that I got, I made it so that the font is a lot bigger. So we could see these big old BSRs right here really stand out and pop. And right here, we could also see these ones are selling as well. So it looks like it's low in competition and selling, which is what we want. But if we go back here and take a look at some of the best sellers that they're showing, one thing that I'd recommend is to, when you're looking at best sellers like this, you basically just want to look for like some similarities or some duplicates. And the one thing that I'm noticing right away is that 3 out of the 8 are using this style where it's like a circle, so like a watch basically. Second one right here, third one right here. And also another thing is I'm seeing horologists. That's the niche that, or that's the niche or the sub niche that I got into when I got into this niche. Horologist is someone that I believe actually makes the watches. It's like the profession. So that's something to take note of. This is what they talk about right here. I'm not going to read it because I'm just kind of too lazy, but they just give you some like design tips. But again, I would recommend that you do more like the horologist. That's where I've had more sales. But they do give you some phrases. So too many watches, not enough time. Who needs a time machine when you got style? And adjust your time, not your dreams. Now I have not checked if this is trademarked or not, so always make sure you do your research. But we got some single keywords, some long tail keywords, and then they always give us a better example listing. So here's the brand title, bullet 1, bullet 2, and this is the score that they're giving. 7 for niche, 6 for potential, 7 for organic, which I agree with. I think that adds up to about 20. So that is the niche. Oh, and then they have the clip art. So they always give us a clip art from this guy, Ron. He has an Etsy shop too if you want to take a look at some of his other, like this looks good right here. Like this is what I would use, these circles right here. But this is the clip art that they gave us right here, and I went ahead and made a design for this, but I didn't use the clip art. Usually I use the clip art from the newsletter, but I decided, because right away when I saw this niche I knew exactly what design I was going to do, and I went with the definition, because anytime I see like a career or a profession pop up, I always use this design right here. The definition has worked very well for me. I have it as a PSG file, so all I have to do is just type in the career, so horologist, and then I just jump on over here to this website, dictionary.com, and you just type it in, hit enter, and all you have to do is just copy and paste like this, and then you just pop it in right here. And then this I just leave blank. It's a PSD file, so you always want to have like 5 to 10 PSD files, so anytime you come across a good niche, you just save time. You just have to pop the text in or the clip art. And then I went ahead and saved that, and I downloaded it, or I uploaded, I mean, onto Merch by Amazon. I got this new laptop here. I was actually able to figure out how to do the producer stuff. If you saw my earlier video, this is the new laptop that I got right here. I don't know if you can see it. Where's it at? Right there. So that's pretty cool. I got the little stickers and everything. Well, let me know how the mic is, because I'm not using my mic because I don't have the adapter. But someone commented that these new Macs have really good microphones, internal microphones. So let me know. But going back to this, so I uploaded it. I decided to go with white instead of black because I just didn't want to take the time to basically change it. But I think black would work better, but who knows, they both look good. And then I went ahead and I just used the actual text from the newsletter right here. So I just basically just copied and pasted all of this, and I put it into the title fields. So horology, hour, meaning, theory, collective clock, which is good. Keyword stuffing. The only problem here is though that I don't know if it's the producer or which app, but usually it's bigger, like the title field, so you actually see all of it. Because right here, when I do a trademark check, it's going to see this one actually true meaning. Looks like it is trademark, so you're gonna go ahead and have to fix that. Let's see if I can find it. True meaning. Sorry about the wait here. Oh, there it is. So I would just get rid of true. Boom, and let's see if that makes a difference. So trademark check. This is the Merch Informer trademark check. Also your love, unleash. Your passion, maybe unleash your passion. So sometimes you have to double check their bullet points, because a lot of the times some of the stuff could be trademark. Okay, so it looks like everything is good. I'm not seeing any phrases. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, you can't do it with this one. With the Productor one, you can combine the two. So let's just go ahead and do it the good old-fashioned way, like this. Hit the space bar. And bam. Okay, so there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and publish that when I'm done recording this video. But that is basically the newsletter and the design that I made. Now let's go ahead and do a quick little tutorial for Flying Research. So if you sign up to Flying Research, you're going to get these benefits right here. The one that I like the most, oh, where'd it go, is the seller trends. So the way that I have it set up is United States, t-shirt newest, and then advanced option, 1 week and newcomers. And it's going to show you all the newest trends that are selling. So you can see a lot of autism stuff, military for kids. There's some type, this right here is testing, in my testing era. So I saw a lot of these designs right here with the groovy text, with this hippie smiley face, disco balls. You see right here, you got this. So that could be a good one. Another one. Basically, what I like to do is I like to come in here and just look for duplicates. But there was one niche that I saw that someone was asking me about. I'm probably going to do a live on Monday, so if you guys want to tune in for that, and I will go over your questions. We can do some niche research. But it's this one right here. And if anybody knows how to get rid of this newcomer, that's really annoying because it kind of blocks it. But there's this new niche right here. This could be one maybe to take a look at. What's up, brother? It is this guy that has supposedly taken over the internet. He's like a streamer for Madden, and he says, "What's up, brother? Special plays, special players, special something," and it seems to be trending a lot. Now, I don't know if the niche is safe or not. I have not personally gotten into it, but it could be something to take a look at. Again, always do your research just to keep your account safe. Another one that I also saw that I thought could have some potential is this one. The reason I'm choosing these is because I'm on TikTok a lot, and I see these trending on TikTok. So Drizzle, that has to do with a new trend on TikTok. In my soft guy era, I think is what it is. It's basically guys that want to, find women that will pay for all their stuff. You're gonna have to do a little research on it. From my understanding, that's kind of what it's about, because usually there's like women that want the guys to pay everything, and they're like kind of doing a switch on that, or vice versa. So when they do that, they say Drizzle. So that's where the trend comes from. But again, do your research, take a look. That could be a good one. If you want to sign up for Flying Research, I do have an affiliate link in the description. So you just go to the description in this video, and it is this one right here, Flying Research. Click on that link, and it'll take you to this page right here. This is the package that I'm using, $20 a month. It will get you the seller trends, also the bestsellers as well. So if you're interested, take a look. If not, it's all good. That is going to be the video for today. I'm feeling back in the mood to be making videos on a regular basis, so should be doing a live here, especially now that I got this new laptop. It's so much more fun working with this thing, so really excited about that. Thank you for everybody that commented and helped me fix my issue that I had with Productor this morning. Really appreciate you guys. That's going to be it for the video. If you want to learn how I get sales like this on a regular basis, make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's the course on Udemy. It's good for beginners or for people that are starting to get sales. But that's going to be it. I'm going to go take my family out to lunch. I'm going to get some Italian, do our daily thing, our weekly thing. Today's family day. But anyways, I'm going to shut up now. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.